Welcome to our tutorial about UID. UID stands for Unique Identifier. A UID is used by Smart Team and Vonovio products. Let me show you how the UID is built into CATIA. Let's create a new part. File, New. OK. Let's just quickly create something. Sketch, rectangle, and exit. Let's pad it. OK. Now let's save it. File, Save. Let's save this part as part1.catpart. Save. Let's say I go ahead and change something in this part, like for example the sketch. Let's exit the sketch. Maybe we'll right-click and change the properties. Let's change the color. We'll change it to blue. Click OK. Let's right-click on the part level, Properties, Product. In the part number field, enter Part 2. OK. Now let's go to File, Save As. We're going to save this part as Part 2 and click Save. We do show Part 1 and Part 2 as different parts in our Windows directory system. However, the problem is that they have the same unique identifier. If you're using any Smart Team or Vonovio products, this may be an issue. Let me show you how to assign a part a unique identifier. We go to File, and let's select New From. Now I'll select Part 1 and click Open. When I select File and try to save, it's the Save As dialog window that opens. And that's because it's a different part, but it's created from Part 1. Let's cancel out of this for now. Let's expand the specification tree. Double-click on the sketch. We'll make some modifications and exit. Let's change the color also. Right-click, Properties, Graphic, Color. OK. Right-click, Properties, Product. Let's call this part number Part 3. Click OK. Now let's save it. The Save As dialog window opens. Part 3 is already populated here. And click Save. What we have now is Part 3 created from Part 1, but these two parts have unique identifiers. Just beware of this potential issue when you're working with Smart Team and Vonovio products. And this concludes our tutorial on the unique identifier.